Hi guys, good afternoon. Join with me as I get ready to run an errand. So it's 12 or mag-1 na ba? So nag-get ready lang ko guys mood because I'm gonna go to the city. So this is today's bag. I need to bring a bigger size bag because I'm gonna bring my small fun, and then this is my organizer. I have my wallet here, and then lipstick, and then I have my compact powder, my alcohol, my coin wallet in here, and then I bring with me my earphones because kung taas pa kayong pila, at least na ako yung earphones, maka lingaw-lingaw kung paminog music or whatever. And then two lipstick, and then I have my pen here para if in case nakapirma-pirmahan. So yeah, I'll put this here inside para lang nakikuan. And then this one, my small fan, kay parting inita. And then I'm gonna bring hair clip. And then I'm gonna bring payong. Payong is really important kay parting inita. So I bought this from TikTok, by the way. And I think I bought this for only 100 plus pesos or 180 something, and then buy one take one na siya. So this is the super this umbrella. I'm not sure if this is a brand. Look at that, it says UV super prevent sun. And then I bought two because buy one take one gan siya, and then automatic siya. Look at that. Ayan. And then sturdy siya guys, sturdy. Because the last time nga nito ko city niya, nag-commute ko, I bought umbrella, pero I bought it for 175, and then pag yung payong ko while walking, gikan sa gate padong dali sa mga, and then perting hangina, so nabaliktad ang payong. Ayan. So automatic din siya. Then you just have to push this button here to close, to open and to close. Just push it like that para ma-close. So yeah, I'll put the link of this product in the yellow basket or in the comment section so you guys can check out. Because pwede inita na gid sa panahon kung dili init, ulan pod, so either way you need an umbrella. Okay, let's go.
Hindi na sa luxury.
Sa dalo katong Royce.
Oh, di palit sa Rolls Royce doon sa payo.
Royce sa payo.
Pero tingala to. Kuha lang sa kinan.
Deadlines.